Hello, good evening to you. Listening to me. I'm called Charlie Fopa, training consultant, ICT integration specialist for Microsoft. You are welcome to this program to the channel Safe Consulting. I want to apologize for this long time staying without communicating in English. It was due to unforeseen circumstances. So today we want to we want to rekindle ourselves and start this new program. And we just came to introduce this new program to you. We're gonna have new programs from this week. On Tuesdays, 8 p.m., we're going to have a program entitled ICT and Education. This program is aims at empowering the teachers of today for the pupils of tomorrow, the skills of tomorrow. So we want to just mobilize you on ICT integration in education. How do you mix technology and pedagogy? We're going to have a lot of trainings. It's going to be like a lot of seminars online where you can you'll be empowered, you'll be taught on things that you can do at your level to improve the ICT integration in your school. And most of the time we say we have issues with electricity in Africa. Yes, it's true, but I want you to understand that the ICT integration is first of all a mindset and a culture. So we need to have that culture, and it's about skills of the 21st century. So we can, with whatever we have as tool, we can start somewhere and integrate the ICT. So don't mix this program, my brother. And on Thursday, we're going to have a program entitled Carrera. Carrera is a program destined to empower the youth for better careers. So in this program, we're going to give students the skills, how to draft your CV, how to write a good motivation letter, how to choose your career. We're going to start with a program entitled Professional Project of the Student. So this program aims at empowering you, and it's for students of every category, whether you are in high school, and that's even more better. If you are at university level, that's perfect. You need to understand that your orientation is so pertinent. It's not just about having a job, but is that job really gonna give you satisfaction? You may say yes, you're gonna have money, but I want to tell you that we need to go beyond the money level and stick to that job that's gonna give you satisfaction, that's going to develop you. You're going to realize yourself, you're going to fulfill your dreams. And parents, you have to listen to this program, because most of the time as parents we have a lot of things. We want to impose our dreams to our students, we want to impose our vision. I want you to be a doctor, so my child should be a doctor, whereas he might not have the skills. So this program is so powerful for you parents and for the students as well, to understand that there are some choices that you're going to have to make, and that those choices are going to impact your lives, and you can't make any choice as far as your life is concerned. So you have to be part of that program. And on Saturday at the very 8 p.m., we're going to have a program which I've entitled Attitude, because your attitude is going to determine your altitude, how high you go in life. So we need to have the right mindset, we need to have the right attitude, we need to develop the right values if you want to succeed in life. So this program on Saturday is for you listening to me. You need to develop the values that education has missed today, because we believe that a society will not be perfect without having humanistic values. We are going scattered in the world because we are missing it all at the level of education. So this program want to bring back the missing values of education, and you have to be part of this program so that you can have the insight. You might have the money, you might have the houses, but you don't have the real value, the real attitude. You might miss it all. Most of the time, so many youth, they have the degree, but they're trying because they're trying the wrong way. But you need to have these skills, and because we desire to be entrepreneurs, so you must be part of this program. So those three programs are there to give you insight, to give you skills that will help you to take your education and your career to the next level. So you can't afford to miss any of these programs. They're not going to be long programs, but they're going to be powerful programs that will transform your life to the next level, that will transform your career to the next level. It goes to the power of education, because I believe, as Nelson Mandela said, that there is power in education to change this world, and ICT is going to be a tool that will empower us more. And without the intervention of human being is going to be unnecessary, because technology is nothing without us, without you. So these programs on Tuesday, on Thursday, and on Saturday are drafted for you, my brother. They are drafted for you, my sister. They are drafted to you, kids. My father, you can take the video, download, and listen to your children. We're gonna have things on attitude. This education, we need to build ourselves so that tomorrow, whatever comes our way, we're gonna overcome. And that's go with the right mindset, the mindset of a conqueror, the mindset of a winner, the mindset of somebody that can craft climb every mountain. And that goes to the mindset. Whatever we believe, we will achieve. So we believe that, oh by having the right attitude, and this program will change your life. You don't have to miss this program. Even as a teacher, understanding the power of technology, understanding the ability that you can build yourself and transform your life. You, as a teacher, you have many things you can do. We must not be bounded to our classroom. We can impact our community with the knowledge that we have. You can bring up a system that will make you to feel better, that will make you to feel useful for this world. There's no reason for us to live. We cannot have impact. So this program, whether on Tuesday, whether on Thursday, whether on Saturday, is all about impact, impacting lives, transforming lives of others for a better world. So I just wanted to encourage you this evening that be ready for this program. Schedule your time. Don't miss it, because choice starts by success. Success starts by making the right choice, and you can't afford to miss this time. We're in the digital age. Our choices matters. Our choices can make the difference. I just wanted to encourage you. Whether you're a teacher, don't mind sharing this video. Share as many with many people as you can. It's about knowledge, and we are the knowledge economy. He that has the knowledge has the power, and knowledge is the key. Education is the key. So I just wanted to encourage you. Subscribe. Make others to subscribe, and be tuned on Tuesday, be tuned on Thursday, and be tuned on Saturday. Together we can make this world better. Together we can transform lives. But start by transforming ourselves so we can impact others. I believe this program will change your life. I believe this program will change somebody's life by your side. Have impact. Change somebody's life. By sharing this video, you are participating already in sharing somebody's life. By watching to the end, you are doing that already. So I just wanted to encourage you. Keep connected, and together we shall do exploit. Together we shall overcome. By the grace of God, we will make exploit. It's about knowledge, knowledge, and knowledge. Be encouraged, and see you soon for our first program on CF Consulting in these new programs. I believe it shall be a blessing for you. It was Charlie Fopa speaking to you from CF Consulting. Together we shall overcome. Stay blessed. Goodbye.